strange second set. Look at the attack points for Cagayan Valley. Where did all those come from?
That's right, 13 as compared to 3 for Army. How often do you see that stat from Philippine Army? 3 attack points.
3 lang, oh.
Oh, in terms of blocking, even Cagayan, I had 6 to 3. Look at the unforced errors. 8 for Cagayan, 4 for Army. So it really, Cagayan played so well that they scored the points. Legit yung scores nila.
Pero kahit mas marami pa rin errors sa Cagayan Valley, parang looking at those numbers, it's as if Army didn't even do anything in that set. But they were leading 12-7. And why are there so many girls on the floor for Cagayan Valley? Okay, Jen Manzano, who hasn't even seen action, is replaced.
That's right, some human error there.
Yeah, somewhere along the lineup submission. So the lineup has not changed. Actually, Bunag is back in. Yonko starts the game on the bench once again. Salak with the ace gets things going here in the third set.
The Army needs to wake up. With some top scorers there in the second set for Cagayan. Porn Pimol actually lording it over everyone with 8, Casas with 5. And dig this, Army, Salak with 2, Dakis with 2.
Wow.
That's it.
Everybody had like 1 point or nothing. And that time, Casas is able to get through. So now here is Jenna Andaya. There's Salak now. And it is now starting to look like the reception problems is what's causing this for the Philippine Army. Service by Andaya. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Nunag. Salak. Bunag.
Good dig.
Across now for Casas. That never crossed.
That's right. The set was too far from the net, and Casas just buries that into the net.
Now, the thing is also, if you're Cagayan Valley Marine, you cannot allow Army to steal a set here. Kailangan tapusin nyo na to.
Definitely, everybody knows the capacity of Philippine Army. So now that they have, you're right, now that they have the momentum 2 sets up, they just have to just play consistently.
Right. Porn Pimol now. Sets up Casas. Dug up by Bunag. Salak on the set for Michelle Carolino. Off the block. Again, Michelle Carolino finally getting it done.
You know they're going to bounce back. They're not going to, give this in a silver platter.
Again, you're sort of questioning the game. Minsan may masamang gising talaga na araw. Yung Carolino has been getting a lot of touches, but not really a lot of scores. Porn Pimol, however.
Good dig.
Here is Carolino going to Alarca. Back set now. Porn Pimol. Oh, wow. Porn Pimol had a high-protein breakfast today.
Right.
Puro muscle to. Look at this.
She has all the nutrition needed.
Right.
Actually, that was a good dig by Bunag, but the help defense just wasn't there again for Army.
Ang lakas talaga. Here's Sandra once again. That serve changes direction in midair. Here's Michelle Carolino. Blocked there by Tubino. Salak, Alarca tries to drop it in. Dug up there by Andaya. And Casas. Bunag gets there. Carolino. Back set now. Porn Pimol. Oh, wow. Porn Pimol is even making Michelle Carolino miss those blocks.
That's right. Just too much power on that spike. It's too tough for Michelle Carolino to handle.
I remember in the matchup yesterday between Ateneo and this squad, Cagayan Valley, it looked like Mike Rafael was going to go exclusively to the Lady Perps squad. Wow, Sandra again! But then, I think binulugan siya ni Porn Pimol na, Coach, we want to play. So pinasok tuloy yung dalawang type player. Mas lalo tuloy natambakan ng Ateneo. Yonko comes in. Alarca sits down.
I know now why Sandra De Los Santos is skinny. After she serves, so far she does a wind sprint down to the center of the court and she goes back to serve. So extra calories.
Kaya masasabi mo na mataas ang metabolism. See, this is my point again. After a great serve, she'll do a service error. If Sandra can just get this consistently, more of like Rachel Andakis and Rhea de Maculangan with their serves, she's gonna be almost, well, a video game-like scoring machine already.
Oh, yeah.
And there is Tubino on the wind down.
Finding that hole down the line.
So 6-4. Joy Casas now to serve. Joy Casas throughout the years has actually improved.
Oh, yeah.
We first saw her in 2006 as a member of Letran. She gets into the service area there. Then after that, actually physically transferred schools just across the street from Letran to Lyceum. Played for Lyceum a couple of years and then became a guest player here in the Shake East V League. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shake East V League, and here is Mayet Carolino. Returns the favor. Hits into the net as well.
That's right. These errors really plaguing Team Army at this point.
Born to ball to serve. Here's Salak now. Running attack. Yari Yonko. Running attack. Not meant there by Chewy William. Here's Dakis on the open. Turns back by Tubino. Yonko turns back by the net. So the timing is still not there for Yonko, but Cagayan Valley is up against the Philippine Army.